One owner car guy, oneownercarguy.com. This here video is not about cars. It's just to do with the Doge miners, and that's what it's about. It's about hooking up Doge miners. And I've been doing lots of mining and stuff. This is just doing that. It's just what I'm doing for people on the channel that care about that. Cool. If not, don't watch it and complain and stuff. It does no good for you or me. Yes, I do lots of cars. If you're looking for a car video, I'll give you an update on the Saab. Look at that paint. It buffed out perfectly. If you're here for the Doge miner thing, check out my channel because I do a lot of cars. Maybe some of my cars will interest you. Do all kinds of different videos. But for the car people, this is simply about the Doge and the CK. Actually, this one is not about the Doge. It's about the CK box, HS box, KD box, hooking them all up. I got an LB box. Got all kinds of boxes. But I'll tell you what, just as for the car people, this thing is done, and I'll give you a preview. And if you want a preview on my other channel, One Owner Car Guy, I put up a quick video. But the 73 Monty is looking wonderful. Okay, beautiful day. Here we go with the Doge miners. Just a quick update. And if you watch the channel much and you're interested in mining, I've got a lot of ASICs coming up. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you. Here we go. Okay, here's three of them. There's two. These two are mine. This one's Katrina's. They do put off some heat. I've got them running off this power supply. I got a L3 Plus, an L3 Plus, and S9 running. I got some more L3 Plus you can see back in the heater room. But this one's doing a 3060 Ti. I got Chia coins, or Chia, whatever, plots, farming all the time. I got 3060 Ti, a 2070 Super, a 1660 Ti, into my redneck mining rig over here. And that's doing that. I got some Cadena boxes and Voskcoin library coin and regular library miners and 3070 and other stuff in the other room, whatever. So this is where I'm thinking about putting it. I got the big EDU running behind it. I got everything going out the door, except these they don't put off much heat in comparison to these, but they put out some damn heat. So I got four more. I'll tell you another one. If you're still buying cables, you're crazy. This cable right here cost me like 14 cents. I made it myself with my little machine stuff. And you can get 1,000 feet of this, man, for frickin', I think it's like 49 bucks. I'll put links down below. But what I got here is, I left this end off because I didn't like how that one went together. So I got Goldshell boxes, and I got four of them. This one should be a Voskcoin edition. I think I got two Voskcoin editions and two regulars. But I'm going to go ahead and open this stuff up. I'll be right back with you. I'll tell you what really bugs me is when they don't send them with an outer box and my factory boxes get all damaged. I mean, these look great, man. And all I had to do was put them in a cheap box they basically made themselves, I think. Ooh, my other Chia stuff. Okay, I'm gonna open one of these up. Alright, this is what we're dealing with here. And yeah. Oh, this must be, oh, I got a, oh, cool. And what it is everybody does not get one of these kind. Everybody gets just a regular one like this. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's the 8th one I've opened. Finally got another one. Holy smokes, I got two of them. That is cool. That is cool. I want to open the third one now. See what I got. But I'm going to open the Voskcoin one next. Okay, first look. There's just a little bit different. They're kind of the same. It's like screen printed or something on there. A laser embossed or something. I don't know. Alright, I got three of them opened up. And I've got a couple more power supplies here. Alright, I'll take this one and, well, I'll have to open a whole new thing. Anyways, let's take these. Oh, man. Lucky catch, buddy. Woo! Okay, what else do I need? Some breakout boards. What do I got? Only one of these left. I don't like these. They don't have a power button on them. But I'm going to hook everything up over here. And I'll be back with you in a second. Breakout These breakout boards are, you never worked with one of these kind of power supplies. They're super easy. You just take this, and you've got the little thing there. You kind of stick it on straight and wiggle it back and forth. And they'll go right on. All of these things have this end, but then they go with this kind of end. And I'm running on 240. I've actually run out of ports, so it's one more thing I need. Got all kinds of Doge Miner boxes and Kadena boxes and all kinds of quality merchandise. Buku power cords, man. I got them when I ordered a dozen of the L3 Pluses when they were still about 250 bucks. And the next thing you know, through the roof. So I'm gonna run my cables. So I'm gonna run my internet cables up here and such. I've got my power cables, so I'm gonna give them power. I'm ready for this, man. More mining. And if you're into mining and watch a real mining channel, then you know that I'm just not doing all that good here. But I tell you what, anyone can do it. It's definitely an easy ordeal. What am I doing here? Jeez. I hate these. The whole configuration's backwards. Okay, let me run these lines and I'll be right back. It's those breakout boards, they're complete crap. I got it up and running with I found one of these. Glad I have extra parts. I'm gonna plug in, well, actually I'm just gonna go like this. When you plug these in, it should change that top light like almost immediately to go green. So on that, we'll see what happens here. Okay, we went back to blue and red, blue and red. I think they should go green at some point here. I've got everything hooked in. Blue, blue, red, blue. Come on. I'm gonna have to get my computer in here. I don't like this one ain't working for me here. Okay, got 3 of the 4 on here. I'll add the other one later. I was thinking about listing it on eBay. I am definitely listing 1 or 2 of these on eBay. But there we go. That's hooked up. I might show some of the stuff online. I might not. I don't know. But what are you doing, kitty? What are you doing, little kitty? She's a polydactyl. Come here. Just show me your feet. Show them your big old feet. Look at those big old feet. Whoa. Okay, girl. She's a Hemingway cat. Man, I got so much power going in this place. It's kind of insane. And more next door. So to get these things working, I'm in the other room now. There's just a little button you push on them. It's right here. And that'll pop the IP address up on your Yoda BC. Tell me before you go. In fact, okay, you've got to have Yoda BC downloaded. So I've got Yoda BC open. There's Yoda BC. She's pushing the buttons right now. The first one will be the Kadena Miner. Boom, there it is. And 10 seconds from that will be the other one. It should just kind of click up. That'll be the Nervos one. So we're waiting for number 1. Got number 0. And boom, there it is. So that's that. And I'll show you from here. You basically can just set them. But yes, it worked. Thank you. If you open the admin page and go to Miner, well, first you got to unlock it. And the default password is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And unlock. Okay. And then from there, your miner, you're going to want to set the pool. And right now it's this one. Okay, so once they pop up, you're just going to right click them. No, you can't have that. You're going to pop up and you'll get this part. I have unlocked the miner already. And I'll show you that with the other one. Very simple. Select it, open admin, and you're going to unlock it. You just enter the password here, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And this should work for the KD boxes, the CK boxes, all your little boxes. So, they're already mining. You're going to click on your miner, and this one is the Nervos. So I'm going to go to DX pool, and I'm going to get a Kadena address, which here it is. You just copy it. I forgot about that. And I'm going to put there we go. Put my Kadena pool information. Click on miner. I'm going to add one. Oh wow, I forgot about that. You don't even need to get the pool ID. You just click this. They already have it in there. It's saved. And I am so enter your username, password. I don't really have one. Just call it X. Okay, so my pool is in there, but it's inactive. I'm going to remove this pool. I hope mine becomes active. And boom, it is active. So I should see my Kadena profits go up. Like, it should add another terahash and a half or so in the next little while. We'll see what that does. And on the Nervos one, should be really, really simple to just go to Nervos one. I'm already signed in. I'm gonna remove this one. I'm going to add this one. They've got the DX pool stuff already in there. Everything's saved. I'm going to put X. How you doing, bud? And this one should pop right up and start mining. Where's the miner? There we go. So it went up, it shot back down, should come right back up. In fact, there it comes. Boom, 22 terahash. 41. We're coming up now, buddy. And it's like hashing away. 120. I forgot how many of these are. This is the Nervos. I'm not familiar. It's my first one. This one. 30. 1433 gigahash. 410. So they are definitely mining. And that is how you set up one of them. I don't know how I'll end this video, but that is that. Hopefully it helps somebody trying to do this, or just kind of got you looking at mining. And there it shows where I just changed it, and the hash rate fell and then shot right back up. So that's 2 on. I've got cords to make, and I'll talk to you later. Well, that was it. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you either found something that helped you, or seen something that you hadn't seen before, or seen an idiot do something wrong. I don't know. But that's it. I'm enjoying the mining. I've got a good chunk coming this year is the main thing I've been doing on it. But that's that. Thanks for watching. Check out my channel. Subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff. Well, that was it. Hope you enjoyed. I've got more stuff on this coming because I bought a KD5 and I got more KD boxes, a CK box, a HS box. I got all kinds of ASICs on the way. So that's kind of where I've made my bet after I've had the GPUs going. I've kind of made a big bet on the ASICs for now, and we're going to go with that. So thanks for watching. Talk to you next time.